DIY store. See what they got. We're going here. The entrance, I guess, is over there. Car is over there. Oh, see, they're going now. Honey. From the truck. Let's try this rambutan guys. Let's squeeze lang ganyan. And then eat. Ito 80 per kilo yesterday. And guys, how to eat rambutan. This is rambutan, you squeeze it. Ganyan. Open it. And then there's a big seed inside. You just have to dilap this. Super sweet. It's big. Everybody is gone pretty much. About 7:30 is general public going in, work and school, and it's raining. There's your classmate, Juliana, is like, oh no. Ito yung ulam namin for rainy season. Dahil ulan ng ulan, may low pressure ata. Ayan guys. Tinolang chicken. Ay, hirap i-focus. Unlimited malangga with taklan. Ang bang-bang. It's almost time to pick up the girls. But nagtula muna. Nakuha ako na katumbal potato. Lunod ko sa tinuod. Hindi ko man yan itirisin kaya hindi man mag-ano yan. Hindi man mag-anghang. Ay! Ayan, kain ako. Tinulang man na. Sa maulang panahon. Mira. Nawaran ba? Kalbo. Hoy. Ay, ay. Waterfall. Waterfall. Sabi si Juda, pumunod ka ulan. Ang mga pakaga, kinupak lang. Ay!
chocolate rain.
And guys, so today is a Friday. I think it's September 13. And ayan, it's rainy Friday. And the girls went to school earlier, half a day.
They didn't lock that gate, Joby.
And we got under the rain.
They left the goat. See if that what's the name shut that gate. Otherwise, dogs will start coming in there.
There's no dogs. When the rain starts, I'll go. Dogs don't go out in the rain too. And we'll see. We got wet under the rain earlier. I hope we won't get sick. The girls and I and Manang. We'll see in a few days. Kung epektibo ba yung ulan. Ano ba? Pampasakit ulo. Shower. Flash. Me and my hairstylist. She's doing my hair. What kind of hairstyle you doing?
Out there, then y'all come back in.
Hi.
We're out there.
I'm doing fresh coconut milk from fresh coconut. Squeezing the milk off of it. I bought this from my Mega Cherry. Hamot!
Are you gonna make sticky rice? Are you gonna make sticky rice?
We are making coconut milk.
Please leave me alone. Stephanie, leave people alone.
Just say ate. It's following us. Oh, dear.
Scary.
It's
It's following her.
It won't go. It follows you, yeah. Ayan. Stay. Follow na ang tawo.
How does it do that though?
Timanan ko paano dito. And where's Kalbo? Kalbo!
It's like slime. It's like slime. It feels real.
Diyan na going to put up
What are we gonna use this for?
suman.
What's that?
Sticker rice.
Are we making it today?
Yeah.
Can I drink some of the milk? It feels kind of weird. This feels like glass.
Smells good. Fresh milk. Fresh coconut.
Where did we get the coconut from?
Cherry.
Wait a minute. Am I supposed to squeeze this in something else?
Yeah.
Or do I just squeeze it in here?
Squeeze it and squeeze it. She is now separating the ugase from the milk. Squeeze it good, baby.
I am.
She's been seen within his Bedminster Club, and her name has been on Trump's lips for much of this year.
Careful.
It's getting sticky all over my hands.
You want me to take over?
No, I like it. It feels nice.
We're going to strain.
Is that how you make milk?
This is coconut milk. Yeah, looks like there's no kapanggata in it.
There is. I squeezed the one.
If Kamala Harris wins, the White House will smell of curry. Kind of thing you hear from like.
Yep.
Jeff and Harris's Indian heritage basis racist and got called out by fellow Republicans that, quote, this is appalling and extremely racist and does not represent who we are as Republicans and now space lasers.
Guys, it's a ghost in our house. It keeps moving the camera. See?
It does not match the base, does not match.
See, the camera keeps moving. We're not touching it, guys. Help us! Oh my god!
What is it?
You can see like rain. It looks like it's flying. It looks like. Oh, and it sounds crazy right there. Oh my god!
Typhoon.
I like it.
Dabuang lang. Stay away from there.
My flash is so warm.
No, okay naman siya. Don't you What?
Ano man, ano?
Sa ano lang kamayan ang try?
Yan, tama.
Ay, tama ron. Pala may hati. Ito, kukuha ko. Sa ano dyan? Sa kalamay?
Ganit.
Tamanta, ano? Ano ganyan? Kalamay ng maskubado. I am going to see if all these windows are closed. Looks closed.
Ano yung